In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the Calculate Date feature on your Xiaomi device. This simple but powerful tool is perfect for planning events, managing deadlines, or just figuring out dates quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Calculator app on your Xiaomi device. At the top of the homepage in the center, you'll see a More Options button. Tap on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll find a variety of tools. Scroll down until you see the date option and tap on it. The next page will let you input the date, month, and year in the provided fields. Once you've entered the details, the tool will calculate the result instantly. And that's it. Whether you're planning ahead for an important event or double-checking a timeline, the Calculate Date feature is an incredibly handy tool. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.